Victoria don't carry Lizzy go meet her mama. My people, wow. Pikin when they Abuja before. Victoria don't carry and go give her mama. Oh. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across this my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe. Join this beautiful family. I bring gists. I bring story. I bring, anything why they bring. I like say, at least if you come across, maybe you pick one or two things. And if you not pick one or two things inside, drop in the comment section. Let me know where I for make the mistake so that my next video I will apply and put. Problem on the finish you. We stay here to learn and we stay here to correct ourselves. Let's dive to our today topic. My beautiful sister Victoria. Say I like you. One thing will make me like you, my beautiful sister. How you take strong and how you take build yourself. Yes. I talk about you know me. Oh. No. I talk about make God know me. Yes. Say if you still do one wrong, I'll still carry you come here. Still give you bye. See they carry me go your China now. See they carry me to go your China. I like you how you stronger and where you big today. I love you for that and I like you for that. The love of God. You see that your mother-in-law when you go visit, the woman, the joy. I look her dance. She no one stop dance. See the joy. See the oh. May God bless everybody good. In fact, daughter-in-law. If you hear her, if you take her, take her. If you don't want to take her, get her here, shama. You see this woman. I don't know whether now let me want to see her. Now let my eye to see her. Say this woman, our mama, mommy. How na take the greet? Oh, mommy. Na ile eka abi. Mommy oh. Dimo. Hey. Say as our mama don't change oh. Abi now let my eye. They do me editorial. Hey. Editorial 556. God will bless you for that. Okay? As you carry those children, go visit your mother-in-law. You know who look the background. That one chuku. For that, when you see good thing. What is the reaction channel? When you see good things, you talk about it. When you see bad things, you talk about it. Now the reaction channel. I love you guys. I love everybody. Anybody want to talk about her, I love you. Now, nobody say I hate you now. Okay? You don't say this our mama don't change. She don't change. Or for my eye, or maybe now my eye they deceive me. She don't really change. She don't change. And as our sister Victoria, they do leather. I saw the day that they eye you, they look you with one of my corner eye. I love how you take care of your mother-in-law and how you take follow her and how two of my friendship just did. May God bless us with the wife when we still give birth to boys, or may God give us good wifey. Yes, so good wife when you take us like their own mother. Yes, I can't wait to meet my mother-in-law too. Now I go showcase her for Esther Family TV. If you don't know Esther Family TV, what do you wait for? Go to that channel. That channel, a lot go happen in future. Not look that channel like that. Yeah, ask me, I will answer you. Ask me, I will answer you. See, a lot. When I'll take meet my mom, when I'll take meet mother-in-law, two of them. Now go see them. It's good if you don't marry. Take your mother-in-law as your mother. You see, as editorial take day. I love that. That relationship. Editorial, keep being you and keep doing you. Those things when they do, they do want to they do one for your future also. Okay? They do one for your future. As you take care of this, our mama, our grandmother, as you take care like your own mother, God will still do it for you. As you give your okay, may I go straight to Lizzy and her mom. Editorial carry Lizzy. Say she want to go show us Lizzy mom. Now it's off cross my leg. Now I can't they wash you. Now she reach there. Now she greet Lizzy mom. You can't say this Lizzy mom. Now someone get Editorial. You see senior Lizzy mom. That is Lizzy mom never reached that. Yeah, I leave that part. You can't tell Lizzy mom say yeah, I call for that part too. My beautiful sister, I love you. Okay, you can't say come on. Which school your children they go? Now government school, be private school. Now Lizzy mom say now private school. My sister body language a lot of things. He speak out of that body language. Say when you not comfortable, why you not edit that part? For me, I feel say editorial, you are not comfortable in that part. Yes, why you not edit that? You don't edit. Let me know. As you just they feel, you just say they upload. Because that part, you are not comfortable in that part. For me, Lizzy go private school, go government school. As far as she dey city. Private school in village and government school in city, not be the same. Government school in city beat private school in village. Ask me why. Number one, Lizzy they go government school for city. She get access for good English. She get access for know how to write and read. Pikin when no book. Whether you go private or you go government, you must know book. Now so it be. Whether Lizzy go private school, then me I not dey against her. You are doing perfect well. The only part when I say, when people talk, when I say come and say, why you go climb up when this go pass ground? If now your own daughter, if you're not doing, you will find how she will take come. But now I don't they see and say, now because now get where now they go, make she go meet you for your mom house, then now pass there go. But if now even so, at least Lizzy, brother, mama brother, if you still do and make three of now just go. How will they tell you what you want to do? I take you for what you bring out, but I just see they clear that part for you, okay? Then, the one where can't check my if I come me. If you they judge editorial say no, you take care of Lizzy well. I bet pack well. Me at the time myself, Naija Daughter pack well. Naija Daughter pack well. But there is never any time when I say editorial they take care of Lizzy well. She always take care of Lizzy well. I look and say she's doing her best and she's trying her best. And Lizzy, you know, she they pick, you know, person when you take care of. If you take care of her well, you go enjoy her. If you take care of her bad, remember, say those children will still grow up. They'll still be like you tomorrow. Now, what I they do. Then, if you take care of her well, in future you will enjoy. If you take care of her bad, in future you go still face the this thing. You know, she can't tell Lizzy mama and say, now Lizzy will follow you go where he said that day. That he say that typical north side. Why now go there? Now the Lizzy mama say, now business now. He said, but they will locate come Enugu now be where say they want to locate to. Okay, she goes, okay, Lizzy go follow you. Not be even mama. Another girl, another sister, she say, no, Lizzy, no. Okay, say, mama say, no. Why Lizzy want follow us? It's okay for where she do. He can say, no, I want to make Lizzy. If I say, make Lizzy come follow you now. He say, no. See my girl. See how she come be. See how she come look fresh and beautiful. No, make she follow you. Editorial. As far as her mom, he give you hand applause. Me, Naija Daughter. In fact, I give you hand applause and I throw a salute for you. And I stand up. In fact, I don't ball for I bend one of my nyash for you. Yes, I bend one of my nyash for you. Keep on the good work. As far as the family say no, carry Lizzy, carry and go back where you carry her for come. Say she's doing well. And Lizzy, that's true. Lizzy be like me before. And when not be speaking English. Now Lizzy is chopping English. Now Lizzy, look and don't fresh. Hey, that is orange. You don't they come out. I bet Lizzy, my beautiful sister. If you come across this my YouTube channel, go school. Don't let any of those people. Because your flower just bright. You too resemble your concentrate your study, wait till your auntie, they tell you, they follow and you they learn you. Now your own you they learn. Now your own you they do. Now so my mama go tell mama will say, now your own you they do. That is true. Now your own you they do. You are preparing for your future ahead. You will still be like editorial one day. You will still get your own children, you still get your own family, you still get your own house. Now so they be. Don't let any man to deceive you. Focus on your education and give this editorial body to take care of, to train. Okay, now this one I get to talk. Editorial, thank you for taking care of Lizzy as her mom talk, and thank you for taking care of our grandmom. Our grandmom, as you just did there. In fact, her skin just changed automatic. God bless you for that. Okay, one love keep us together. What do you think about this video? I'll drop her some shots about her. Maybe you not still watch. What do you think about this video I'm about to watch? I'll see you in my next video. If you never subscribe. Possible. Don't forget to join the beauty family. Salute. All this good lady. All this good lady. Join.
Mom. Hey guys, what's up guys? Good afternoon. How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to another video and you're welcome back to this beautiful blessed home. You guys, I want to officially introduce you guys. You guys have actually not seen Lizzy's mom. So I'm Lizzy's mother, but the person that gave birth to Lizzy is none other person than this beautiful okay, so this is Lizzy's mom, and you want to tell them their name. You want to say hi guys now? Talk now.
Hi guys. I based in Taraba State.
Okay, I thought that your people's relocation. People have you say your name is Amaka. You work there in Taraba, right? Children are they going?
Is in primary. Why Amaka and Samuel is in nursery?
Are they going to private school or?
It's private school.
Okay. Okay, so the school is near you people there, right?
Yes.
How is Taraba? Like I used to be scared of the knots, like typical knots. I know you saw Lizzy because I know it's been so long you saw her.
I feel so happy. I saw Lizzy. I was surprised because she's now a big girl.
Yeah.
So I'm glad to have a big girl like that.
That's nice. So if she wants to follow you and go back to Taraba, won't you carry her?
No.
Why?
Because it will make her look tattered and bushy.
How?
So I prefer the size she is.
Okay, you're saying it in the context that okay, she's in Abuja, she's going to look more classy.
Yeah, than Taraba.
Yes. But your children are looking classy too now.
No.
Auntie, I beg, I don't need that side.
are you not looking classy? Okay, you came from. Where's that your side?
Onitsha.
Onitsha. Where did you come from?
From Anambra State.
Okay, you stayed there, ba? Okay, so it was after you finished secondary school that you went to Taraba. Okay. So does it mean that side that it is
We're looking for money.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. But what if she wants to follow you and go there and go and continue looking bushy?
Now?
Why? Who is it now?
You don't cast, last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.